What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Jin from official BTS Chibi Figurines. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. Now I'm gonna start drawing his hair, so we're gonna take a point here and draw a curved line to the side and then turn it down and slightly to the left on the tip of the hair. Then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up, and then I'm just gonna connect the 2 points together across. Now on the left side of this strand, I'm gonna draw from this point here a curved line outwards to the ear, and then I'm gonna slightly turn it downwards. Then I'm gonna make a sharp turn up and back to the center of the hair parting there. Now below this point on the left, I'm gonna draw his sideburn with a curved line down, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up to the side like that. And then from that point, I'm gonna draw a semicircle to the side. And make a turn down to the side of the face. Now I'm gonna go back to the hair on the right side, and from this point here I'm gonna draw a small strand of hair and then turn it back up, and then from this point here I'm gonna draw a curved line out, and then I'm gonna turn it slightly downwards and then up and to the center of the parting in the center. Now below the hair at the side, I'm gonna draw his sideburn there, and then from the side of the sideburn I'm gonna draw a semicircle at the side and turn it towards the center of the face. Then from the left side of the face I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and then to the center. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here as well. The inside of the ear on the top portion, I'm gonna trace that outer line. Then this corner here I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. So we're gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. And for the hair on the left side, I'm gonna draw from the upper corner of the ear here a curved line upwards and turn it to the center of the head. At this point I'm going to draw a sharp turn up and up, and then go back, continue to the center of the hair above there. Now we're gonna do a similar shape on the right side over here, so we're gonna mirror that outline. And then we're gonna add a line in the middle of the hair there. And then we're gonna add from the center line, curve line to the sides, a few curve line to the side of the face. And then for his eyes, I'm gonna start from the left corner here and draw a curved line across to towards the center and down as you reach the center point. And on the outer corner of the eye, I'm gonna make a curve down there, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up and a curve to the center of the eye as well. And then at the inner corner of the eye, I'm gonna add another curve line right there, and then I'm gonna fill this in to make the upper side of the eye thicker. Now on the lower part of the eye, I'm gonna draw across a curved line like that, and then for his pupil, I'm gonna add a circle on the lower side of the eye. And then I'm gonna add another small circle on the top left corner of the eye. And in the center, I'm gonna draw a black circle as well. Now for his eyebrow, I'm gonna draw from this corner here to the towards the center of the face, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the back, and we're gonna mirror the whole eye shape and the eyebrow on the right side. Now for the mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line across with the middle part lifted up in the center, and applies to both the upper side of the mouth and the lower side of the mouth. And for his nose, I'm just gonna draw a tiny curved line above the mouth like that, and another one on the top part. Now I'm gonna just extend this line all the way to his chin right there, and at this point I'm gonna draw a circular shape and stop there. And inside of that circle I'm gonna draw a, from this point over here, curved line out and to the side, and then make a semicircle turn back in. And then I'm gonna draw for his figure a circle there, and then another circle. And make sure you don't do, you can do a full circle for the point of the fingers, but you can mix it up, make it more random. And then from this corner of the palm, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the center like that. And then for his neck, from below the chin on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line there. And then his collar, I'm gonna draw from this point here a curved line up, and then turn it down to on the side, and then make a sharp turn back up and all the way to the cheek. And then on the right side, you're just gonna add a curved line there. And then from the left side of the collar, we're gonna draw a curved line across to the right. And then in the middle, I'm gonna add on the side here a line on both left and right. And then on the bottom point of both lines, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the center. And then on the bottom point there, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And then we're gonna draw two lines on both sides, and a two diagonal lines from the side to the center. Now for his coat, for his suit, I'm gonna draw from this point here, curved line down. Then I'm gonna turn it to the side. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the left side as well. And then I'm gonna make a turn back up on the side of the suit. And for the shoulders, I'm gonna take this point and draw a line out and down, and then back out at the elbow point, and then make a curved line back to the suit. And then I'm gonna repeat that shape for the inner shirt, wrist, and for his fingers we're gonna draw a curved line out and semicircle turn back in, and the thumb as well, a similar shape, and his other finger. Now on the right side, I'm going to take from the thumb point here and draw a curved line out, and then turn it down to the side on the lower point of the suit. And I'm going to draw from this point here a line down and turn it side. And below the tie, I'm going to draw a curved line across And for his pants, I'm gonna take from both sides and draw a curved line down to the shoes, and then a curved line across, and then go up this corner, and then from this point I'm going to draw a curved line to the right direction and turn it down and curve across, and then go back up at the side. For his shoes, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the front here and then down. And then for the back, we're gonna draw a line the back downwards and join the back and the front together with a curved line. Slightly above that, we're gonna draw another curved line across, and in front of the shoes, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line like that. I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the right shoes as well. Now at the knee, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape there, and on the left side as well. And in the middle of the pants, I'm gonna draw two lines from the inner shirt center downwards on both sides.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.